That's for the... See? Kasi ang daming ano dito, birds. So, yan, naglagay siya ng ano, yung sister-in-law ko naglagay ng tubig sa ano, bird bath. Bird bath. For the birds. Pasyal tayo dito. For the birds. It's so nice here in the morning. I like. But sometimes it's
very humid, you know.
Even in the morning.
Well, yeah, in the summertime, yeah, when it gets real hot, it's like,
Like
then I don't
July,
come out much.
August.
Like probably end of July and
End of July till August.
Yeah,
It's the same thing in Arizona. It's very hot.
yeah.
Yeah.
But here's the humidity would get you. I can deal with the heat, but the humidity, oh.
Yeah, I don't like it
I
too.
know, yeah.
Like in the Philippines also.
Yeah, you have it in the
I can't.
Philippines.
It's yeah. Oh yeah. Oh my God, it's so hot there.
Oh man.
It's not the temperature. It's the humidity.
Exactly, Chris. Yeah. Exactly.
Yeah, it's like the temperature stays 88, but the humidity is 90.
Yeah. Yeah. Like, oh no. Don't get me on the humidity.
Yeah, we don't like that. Oh my God, lamig. Wow. Yeah, can you hear that, guys? Can you hear the beautiful, relaxing sound of different kinds of birds? So, tong ano ko, yung sister-in-law ko, dito siya nakatira just a little bit outside of St. Louis. Mga 30 minutes away from the main city. So, medyo ano, parang farm siya. Pero, oh, look at the cardinal. Did you see Kyle? So, marami siyang mga ano dito. Itong neighborhood na to ay ano na talaga, well established na. So ibig sabihin, pag well established ang mga puno ay talagang ano na, matured. She used to have a lot of trees over here in the front. Sometimes ang bad weather in the winter kasi malamig dito pag winter. Grabe ang snow dito pag winter. Sometimes they knock down the trees, you know. So, pero grabe naman ang maintenance pag ganitong yard mo, guys. My gosh. You really have to pay somebody to mow the lawn. Because otherwise, this is a hard job. Ayan. So nilalagyan niya ng water yung mga bird bath. Ganyan. Bird bath. Para sa mga bird bath. Sa mga birds. Oh, cardinals. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I think the state bird is a cardinals. The state bird is a cardinal. Yan, may mga kapitbahay din siya dito. Dami din kapitbahay dito. This is a whole sa whole neighborhood.